Oxygen sensors, also known as O2 or lambda sensors. Where they're mounted on the exhaust system means that access can be difficult sometimes, and being underneath the car they can seize up and be difficult to remove. The traditional O2 sensor socket is a useful tool. It's compact for access, and the socket is open to enable fitment over the sensor and the wiring. But it has one drawback. If the sensor is seized and doesn't want to turn, the open socket can flex and then turn on the sensor. This can damage the hex on the sensor, making it even more difficult to remove. Laser Tools has brought the O2 sensor socket into the 21st century. With the addition of a couple of extra features, we have a much more versatile tool. The socket is still open to enable easy fitment. The half-inch drive is now 8-point, which helps when access is difficult. But as you can see, the O2 sensor is still seized and the open socket may still flex. So here's the innovation. With the addition of a 30mm hex to the O2 sensor socket, we can now also fit a spanner to the socket. This offers two advantages. Extra torque is applied to the sensor, but the big plus point is that the spanner stops the socket from opening. The sensor's hex is gripped securely and we get it to turn. The new dual-action O2 sensor socket from Laser Tools, innovation in automotive tools. Available now from your Laser Tools stockist.